Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on this dot at the top left corner. To exclude some that you wish to keep, click on them. And to get rid of the rest, click on Delete button at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!